So I'm driving up the street right now to potentially sell my truck. Some dude sent me a message, said he wanted it for asking price, and said, hey, let me go get money out and I'll meet you at the Walmart. And I said, well, okay, brother, let's do this.
Okay.
Bye, bitch. Well, just got the plates off. Looks like she's sold. That's it. That's the end. Maybe I'll say bye. You did good. That's the end of the S10 Blazer for me. On to different things. Okay, so you might remember Rodney from the video where we rescued the Mercedes. He just got an Audi. That's pretty cool. So he is giving me a ride over here to the ghetto to pick up this. Let's take a look. This is not the best area. Definitely an area I want to buy a car from though. So this is what the place looks like. This is the address that they gave us. I don't know. But also, here's this. It's cold. That's cold.
Is that a fucking student driving sticker on a Mercedes?
Let's take it out here on the open road. Let's test these real quick. How do they work? Yep, those are terrible. We got juice. Smell like burnt oil?
A little, yeah. Where does that go? Like nothing is missing a knob. There's.
Oh. Uh-oh. That's just. He really trusted the shit out of us. Didn't even like check my ID or anything.
Didn't he take your ID?
Yeah, he took it, but like he didn't look at it first. Who knows if that's real or fake? Wow, that's actually pretty cold. I'm gonna leave that alone. Turn that just in a small position there.
Checking the performance of this animal.
Yeah, let's try to hit some brakes. It stops.
It sure does.
We should probably turn around. Let's do some illegal maneuvers in a car we don't own. Drives pretty good. Let's see what we can do about it. That's as slow as she'll go. Oh, you cannot look cool in one of these, can ya? Maybe.
Just do what you always do and put fucking Camaro seats in.
Alright. I think that's a good driver position. This is weird.
You got a stance going?
Console. Oops. Yui. She'll spin. All right. It drives pretty decent. I mean, it drives straight. It goes. It stops. It's about all you could really ask for, I guess. A little bit concerned about the check engine light.
Was that in the listing?
I don't remember. I didn't read it a whole lot. I looked at like 38 vans, and this is the only one that was available today.
That's how you know you're getting the best one.
Yeah, because they're really pressed to sell it. This is awful. I hate this.
What? Oh, the steering wheel?
Yeah. Whoa. Hold on, I'm trying to go back to this dealership, sir. I think it's a dealership. Maybe some struttage. Might need a strutter too. That's cool. I don't know what the fuck that is. It takes the bumps. LED King. This is a weird situation altogether. Okay. We didn't quite make it there. It goes backwards. Let's scoot it up right here. We'll pop the hood. So I'm a little upset that it's not the power sliding door option, but that may be something that's affordable to retrofit. But either way, it's not that big of a deal. Realistically, that's just one more thing to fucking break, and then your door sticks closed. And you know, I'm talking myself out of the good options here. Yeah, it may not be leather, but like leather stinks anyways. That's it, dudes. I got a van. I'm so freaking excited. I've wanted a van for my past 4 vehicles, but I've been talked out of it by so many people, but I got it now. It's mine. Title and everything. Taking it home. It leaks and the check engine light's on, but I love it. It's an ugly color. Yes. Look at this. You know, you can't do this unless you own a van. That's for sure. Do you know how many kids I can fit in here? Starting a soccer team, rec league, adults versus kids. Hey, what's up? I got a Honda too, bro. My wife hates it. I have no idea why. I figure any woman would be glad that if they had kids, the husband would go out and get a minivan, but she hates the color and the fact that it looks like a murder was performed inside.
It's everything about it.
There's nothing that she enjoys. She said she wouldn't even ride in it. And I asked her previously, I said, babe, would you ride in a van if I got a van? And she was like, yeah, babe, I'd ride in anything with you. Apparently not. All right, thanks everybody for watching this episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. I am just so pleased that I finally have my dream car. And it's just been a great time along the way. Going to the ghetto is always fun. I try to go once a month. If you guys want to support our channel, check out the merch link below, definitely-not-mechanics.com. If you want to donate some money to us, don't. Just buy merch. Thanks.